Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is another unboxing. I've already taken the stuff out of the packages, which I always do now because you can't show addresses online. But today, I wanted to show something that I bought. It's a cast iron frying pan. Now, some of you may know about cast iron. I know a lot of you do, and some of you may not. But cast iron frying pans is just something that's been used for centuries. And I love cast iron frying pans. I bought a set of 3, and the ones that I bought, they came silver. Like a lot of times they come silver, that's what they call unseasoned. They're not black. This one is seasoned, thank goodness. The company has already had this prepared, so all I have to actually do is use it. But the ones that I had bought previously was a 3-pack. I had to season them myself, which is a little process. But anyway, this is a 10.25-inch skillet. And it's like I said, it's already seasoned, it's ready to go. And I ordered this off of Amazon. It was like $19 and some change, 20 bucks. And I just wanted to come and show you guys because I love cast iron. I love my cast iron frying pans. And just in case you may want to get one, I'm going to put the link in the description. And we're going to have some fun with this one. I have the set of 3, which is one is I don't think it's this size, maybe just a tad bit smaller, the biggest one. Then there's 2 more even smaller. And then Calvin bought one in here as well. The one he bought in here is kind of worn. I don't know how you get the stuff off the bottom of it. There's some buildup that get on the bottom of it anyway. She got a brand new one now, so. Nice old cast iron frying pan. Do some real serious head trauma. Alright guys, that's it. I just wanted to come and show my new item. I have some other stuff coming, and I'll be back when it comes. So I'll see you guys in the next video.